Welcome back to News Watch 12. On your Health Watch for you this morning, health leaders from nearly 100 countries are in Switzerland this week for the World Health Organization's 76th World Health Assembly. And studies say that there might be a change in the required dose for the HPV vaccine. Now, much of the focus on the vaccines are on cervical cancer. Now, on Monday, the Director General said, quote, "Vaccines are bringing the dream of eliminating cervical cancer within reach." World health leaders say giving girls just one shot would provide enough protection against cervical cancer and other HPV conditions. WHO scientists say the single-dose approach could be a game changer for the prevention of cancer. The organization's goal is to have 90% of girls across the globe vaccinated by the time they are 15. And health officials in Washington state are warning some Taco Bell customers in Snohomish that they might have been exposed to hepatitis A. The health alert comes as some call on the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to recommend all restaurant workers to be vaccinated against the virus. Molly Sheen reports.
Larry and Diane Vest were regulars at Famous Anthony's in Roanoke, Virginia. They knew the staff there by name. In 2021, one of those workers was unknowingly infected with hepatitis A, a virus easily spread through contact.
Whether it be a table or a doorknob, a menu, they actually worked in the kitchen itself. So they were a little bit all over the place, and you just don't know.
Weeks later, Scott Vest's stepmother was dead from complications of hepatitis A. Then his father passed away. Seattle food safety attorney Bill Marler is now pushing for all restaurant workers to be vaccinated for HEP-A.
If they do contract the disease, they're producing the virus at a time when they're not actually sick. And by the time they're sick, they've already been spreading it.
At the busy Portage Bay Cafe, owners would like all employees to be vaccinated, but they question if potential hires would be able to find those vaccination records and say the Restaurant Association would likely push back against a mandate.
Do we need to raise prices because we are now having to go through extra steps in clearing people, making it harder for us to hire? That's going to have an effect on whether or not this actually happens.
Marler meets with policymakers at the CDC next month and is hoping they'll recommend the shot, if not require it. Vest hopes it becomes policy, even though it's too late to save his parents.
We were looking forward to having them down and enjoying the sunshine down here in Florida, and unfortunately that didn't happen. Got taken away from us.